Morning, boys and girls. Called in another one. God's good. Y'all have a great day. I'm officially hot now. Whew. Oh yeah, it's Couchon delay time. Okay, I pulled that shot pretty bad, but it looks like I hit him right in the ham, in the femoral artery, and blood was pouring. Look at all that blood. Oh yeah. That's a javelina jaw. Pretty cool. Yeah, he's going this way. It's thick. Like I can't always see nothing. Oh man, I know he went through here. Everything's got. There he is right there. Holy cow. Dude.
Hey, you gotta
That's what I'm talking about. All right, so we was walking down the pipeline and this little guy was out in the middle eating oats. He was eating the seeds off the top of the oats. They went to seed and he was just eating and snuck up on him at 30 yards, 28. And when I shot, he kind of ducked my arrow. I don't know, I pulled it and he ducked and I hit him right in the femoral artery. Might have got him in the liver. But man, that's awesome. Oh yeah, we blinking on this side. Yeah. There it goes. So we got him. Shot him and hit him in the butt, right in the femoral artery. He went about 100 yards through the thickest stuff you could find. So now I'm going to have to figure out where I'm at. God's good. Another one to donate. Be safe. Hey, you got a Cajun microwave? Hey man, I need another Cajun microwave. I need two.